Hello, I'm Luna. Welcome to English with Luna. Today, I will tell you a simple and relaxing story in English. This story will help you improve your listening and your vocabulary. Try to listen carefully and follow the text on the screen. If you can, repeat the sentences after you hear them. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just relax and enjoy the story. Let's begin. Daniel decides to start going to the gym. He has been thinking about it for a long time, but he always says, "I will start next week." This time, he wants to be serious. On Monday morning, he wakes up early and prepares his bag. He puts a t-shirt, shorts, a towel, and a bottle of water inside. He looks at the bag and takes a deep breath. "Today is the day," he says. The gym is close to his home, so he walks there. As he gets closer, he starts to feel a little nervous. "What if I don't know what to do?" he thinks. "What if everyone looks at me?" He arrives at the gym and stops at the door for a moment. Then he opens it and walks inside. The gym is bigger than he expected. There are many machines and people. Some people are running, some are lifting weights, others are talking and smiling. Daniel looks around, a little unsure. Then a trainer walks up to him. "Hello," the trainer says kindly. "Hi," Daniel replies. "Is this your first time here?" "Yes," Daniel says. The trainer smiles. "No problem, I can help you." Daniel feels more relaxed. The trainer shows him around the gym. He explains how the machines work and where everything is. "Start simple," the trainer says. "You don't need to do everything today." Daniel nods. First, he goes to the treadmill. He starts walking slowly. Then, after a few minutes, he walks a little faster. He feels his body warming up. After that, he tries a few machines. He moves carefully and follows the instructions. It is not easy, but it is not too difficult either. After some time, he starts to feel tired. He sits down and drinks water. He looks around again. Now he feels different. Not nervous, just focused. He stands up and continues for a few more minutes. When he finishes, he feels a little tired, but also proud. He goes to the locker room and takes a moment to rest. That was not so bad, he thinks. When he leaves the gym, the air outside feels fresh. He walks home slowly, feeling calm. Later that day, his body feels a little sore, but he smiles. "This is a good start," he says. The next day he rests, but on Wednesday he goes back to the gym again. Thank you for listening. I hope this story helped you learn new words and improve your English. Try to listen again and repeat the sentences to practice your speaking and your listening. See you in the next story.